ADA, we start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. Okay, if we refer to our analysis, that's why when the price was within this move, I mentioned we are expecting for one more drop. And we mentioned we want the price to drop and break this low following by 1.138. Exactly, this is what we get. No one, but the only thing is what we get was really quite sharp and the prices start to reverse. Now we need to see if we want to look for buy, we need to get the reversal. But right now we cannot jump into the trade. It's really risky. And even if we move to 15 minutes, we see what we have. All right. Even based on 15 minutes, we don't have any trade set up to look for buy. But over time, I mean, what we have been looking for, we have been looking for this correction to look for reversal. If we get any reversal with the flag, we can look for buy with the breakout of the stop. But we need to get a sharp move. All right. And right now, we don't have any reversal. Okay, because simply because of what we get here. It's better we wait, we see whether we can get any trade set up for buy or not, because still we can expect this one give a flag for continuation. We need to be quite careful. But whatever we are expecting, we mentioned we have the price mostly can drop exactly what we were expected has happened. Now we start with the higher time frame, we start with daily chart. Okay. The only thing is we're looking at this. We want to see whether there is a continuation or this one can turn to one more drop. That's why we need to be quite careful. But mostly we're looking for continuation. We expect this one to continue and break this top. By the way, we have nothing else to discuss based on forward chart. And if we move to, sorry, based on daily chart, and now if we move to forward chart, this is what we have been looking for. It's still because we have been looking for this correction for the price to drop, because we wanted to see whether we can get any trade setup from this correction or not, because we put in relative to this. Okay, but again, for buy, we need to look for reversal simply because of the sharp move we get here. And we cannot simply jump into the trade for buy without, I mean, without we get the trade set up, because still we can expect this one to continue. And even the possibility of the retest is low is there. Okay, that's why we need to be quite careful. And right now, based on forward chart, we don't have anything. The only thing is, as what we were expected, the price to drop to 1.138. Now we want to see what's the next. And the best thing is we wait and see whether we can get trade set up for buy or not, because still we can expect this one with the breakout of this. We can look for the next trade. Sorry, next target, which is 1.08, and following by that, still we can look for one. That's why we need to be quite careful simply because of the sharp move. By the way, if we get any trade setup for, I mean, for reversal from here, we can look for buy. And in this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.